it is my very first time doing a Stationery selection unboxing as an official design team member. And this is going to be the March box, and something really special, other than it being my first video as a design team member, it is actually the Stationery Selection's first anniversary. They put out their first box in March of last year, and I think that's really super special that I get to be a part of their first anniversary situation. I think it's really fun. So let's just go ahead and get into this. I did have to change my filming situation around a little bit, so if there's a little bit of a shadow, I do apologize. The light is now to the right behind me a little bit, and it's still kind of springy winter, so the sun is at a weird angle right now. But anyway, let's get into it. So the main item in this bag, or in this box, is the awesome Delfonics small utility pouch. Has 11 pockets. Just an amazing situation here. This thing is beautiful. An interesting fact is that not everybody got the same color. I got olive. I chose to get olive. Being a design team member, I did have the opportunity to select the color that I wanted, which I thought was really special. And for reference, I've got my my bigger one. I don't think it's even going to fit into frame because, like I said, my filming situation changed, but you can see how much smaller this one is, and I love it. I just think this is going to be great for traveling. I think this is going to be great for keeping in my purse and just keeping everything organized. So let's open it up because I've got all the items from the box inside the bag. So the first item, let me take out the little list here. The first item are these, I'm not even going to try to pronounce it, veggie flake stickers. So let's move this aside. Sorry for the crinkle. But I wanted to take everything out so that you could see how vivid the colors are on these. So we've got a pretty large variety of these sticker flakes. I don't think, are they stickers or are they just flakes? It says vegetable sticker flakes. Let's see if I can get the plastic off. I think you're going to need fingernails. Yes, so they are a sticker. It feels like washi paper. I don't know if you can tell that or not, but it is a sticker, so that's awesome. So we've got onions, cucumbers, avocados, peppers, tomatoes, carrots, squash, peas, broccoli. I'm not sure what this is. I'm not even gonna play. I do not know what that is. Yeah, so these are really cute, and these are going to be great for me. I plan on using them because I'm going to be doing a bunch of gardening this summer, and we've already started, and I'm going to use these to kind of decorate my journal when I talk about that. I don't know how many vegetables we'll be planting, but we'll see. This item right here is really cool too. It's brand new. I've never seen it before, but it is a notepad that is, let me bend it back here a little bit so that you can kind of see. I hope you can see. They are tiny little perforated squares through the whole thing so that you can just rip off what you want and leave what you don't want. I've never seen anything like this before. I just haven't. The first thing that came to mind is, how am I going to be able to color these little squares and play Tetris with this? How am I going to do that? And I'm sure if you had enough time, you totally could just rip these all apart and make a little Tetris layout in your notebook, which would be pretty cool. But I mean, just how cool is that? I mean, I'm going way above and beyond with that. But I just wanted to show you, like, these tiny little squares, you can just do whatever you want. I've got some ideas what I want to do with this as well, but I will be sharing them later. So now that I've got myself a little mess here, and it comes with a cute little pouch in case you need to save a piece so you don't waste it. If you've ripped off more than you need, you can stick it in the little pouch and save it. So that's another item. The next item is this Cuckoo Dot Liner, and it is the same brand, I believe, as the last month's tape cutter. And this thing is ingenious, so this thing's got to be pretty darn good too. So let's open it. I love tape runners. Oh, there's a little thing you can pull right open here. I love tape runners. I use them all the time, and I'm always running out. And this one's really small and great to have in your purse or notebook or your Delfonics pouch, so that you can just have something to glue something down really easily. And you can see, hopefully, it's blue and it's a dot liner. And let's see if it rubs off. Like if you put too much. Oh yeah, see, if you put too much and you've got some that hang off, you can just rub it right off. So that's really convenient. That's really cool. Super love having one of these. The next item is this. I believe this is the Tombow Play Color Dot. Now the cool thing about this is it has two tips. The first of which is this teeny tiny little one here. And then you've got this dot, which I think is great. You could use this to create confetti on letters, or use it as a to-do tick mark, or use it to cross something off. I think that's really cool. And the color is really pretty too. I hope you can tell how pretty that color is. I hope I'm like focused. So yeah, that's really fun. I've never seen this before. I've never seen any of these items before. I've seen these obviously, but I didn't know this brand made them. So that's really fun. And the last item, which is probably my favorite item after the pouch, is this Zebra Sarasa 3. And it is a pen that has 3 different color inks in it. I am a huge fan of anything Sarasa, so getting this pen is just like the creme de la creme for me. So let's test the colors here. Beautiful. Oops, I could spell red. That's really pretty too. And then I can't tell if this is black or gray. It's black. So how lovely is that? Oh, love it. I'm so excited. And if I wanted to, when I run out of these inks, I could easily replace them, I think. They look pretty easy to replace. We'll cross that road when we get there. So that's it. That is everything that was in the March stationery selection box. I think it's a really fun box. Like I said before, I have a bunch of really cool ideas for how I'm going to use all these things. I like the colors of everything. I think it's very springy and practical and smart, and all of these things are things that you can easily carry in your Delfonics pouch, which I think is great. And I'm really excited to stuff this thing full of goodies. So there you have it, folks. I hope you like this unboxing video. I hope you are liking the stationery selection boxes if you're a subscriber. If you have any other questions, leave them down below, and I'll leave all the links for where you can become a subscriber if you want to down below. Until next time, guys, that's all I've got for you. I hope you have a great weekend, and yes, just thank you for the support. I've really been enjoying myself, and I will catch you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.